So we are talking about virtual commissioning. What is it? The virtual commissioning is the way to validate virtually the PLC of the line. We are programming with CATIA control build this virtual controller to orchestrate the virtual line that we can find within Delmia robotics. So within Delmia, we program the robots, the equipments like conveyors and so on, and we use CATIA control build to orchestrate the whole line. And then, thanks to our standards, we are sure that this will be reused on the real line of the factory.
And so once the virtual PLC has been validated, we can also connect to home-run softwares of the fleet management in order to be able to virtually also validate the management of the line. It will be really helpful because the intelligence is really coming from home-run. And so we can really ensure the robustness of our line in order to ensure that the virtual and the real are optimized as best as possible.